Greetings, Benjamin J. from Ben's Trains with another in the series. Well, I'll follow up on that Marx 999 that I cobbled together out of parts. And just wanted to do a quick follow-up so you can see the result. Now, the push rods have been modified and shortened to work with this front crossbar. I've installed a front truck. I've installed a rear truck. I have installed a lens. So for all intended purpose, this is a complete Marx 999. Now, to mount that front truck, these are usually mounted with rivets. I just used two mismatched screws, as you can see. But even so, it's up and running. Installed a rear truck, has the new motor. It has a light and a lens and a working E-unit. So, without further ado, I thought I would take this around so you can see it running. Now, this thing is made just completely out of junk parts, no doubt about that. So, without further ado, Marx 999 built out of parts, up and running, as you see. Front truck, rear truck, headlight, lens, working E-unit. It actually looks quite respectable. I don't think anyone would object to owning this. It runs nice, it looks nice, and it's made completely out of junk parts. The motor came out of a Marx 490, if I remember right. The front crossbar was for a Canadian Pacific. So installed the new motor, shortened those push rods to work with this front crossbar, installed a front truck and a rear truck, installed a lens, a new light bulb for the headlight, has a working E-unit. So a quick shot of black paint, and this would look like a new locomotive. So it runs nice. It has non-standard push rods on it, as you see. But the point is, it's a running locomotive made completely out of parts. Really, really simple to do this. I needed a project for tonight, and this was it. So a new Marx 999. Like I said, you put a quick shot of black paint on this, and this would look absolutely new. There's not a spot of rust on those push rods, no damage to the shell at all. Has a working E-unit, has a working headlight and lens, front truck and rear truck. Total cost, $0. Made completely out of parts. So grand total to build this, I don't know, 20 minutes, half an hour, something like that. So once you get the motor fitted, the rest of it is just adding all the accessories. The front truck, rear truck. Went through my parts, found a lens. This 999 is up and running just absolutely splendidly. It looks nice, it runs well, and it costs nothing. Made completely out of parts. And that's why I always stress, don't overlook the junk. Just because something's junk when you get it, doesn't mean it's going to be junk when you're finished with it. Even with that silver paint on it, this Marx 999 actually looks quite respectable. Like I said, I don't think anyone would object to owning this. It runs well, it looks nice, it was absolutely dirt cheap, in this case free, made out of stuff I already had here in the shop. But it's a really, really simple way to assemble a running locomotive. Is it perfect? Nope, sure isn't. Has the wrong crossbar, has the wrong push rods. The thing is, it's up and running. That's the neat thing about it. It was fun to do it. Only took I don't know, 20 minutes, half an hour, something like that. The most time-consuming thing was looking to find some screws that would fit that to mount that front truck. But it's up and running with no problems of any kind. Forward and reverse. Working E-unit, working headlight, front truck, rear truck. A quick shot of black paint, and this would look like a brand new locomotive. And as you see, it runs absolutely splendidly. No one would ever know that this was made out of junk parts, except for the fact that it has the wrong push rods on it. But even so, it looks nice, it runs good, and it was virtually free. So anyway, I just wanted to do a quick follow-up video. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to drop me an email. BENZTRAINZ@gmail.com. And as always, thank you for watching.